NVIDIA, renowned for its graphics processing units, GPUs, has seen a remarkable rise in the stock market, a journey that merits a closer look. This essay delves into NVIDIA's expansive market reach, its competitive advantages, and the challenges it faces. NVIDIA's market extends far beyond gaming GPUs, encompassing high-performance computing, data centers, artificial intelligence, AI, and the automotive industry. The AI sector, projected to reach a valuation of hundreds of billions in the coming years, forms a significant part of NVIDIA's addressable market. The data center sector, driven by the needs of cloud computing and big data analytics, offers another substantial growth opportunity. Additionally, the automotive sector, especially with the advent of autonomous vehicles, presents a lucrative market. NVIDIA's ascent can be attributed to several key advantages. Its technological leadership is evident in its GPUs, which are essential for gaming, 3D rendering, and video editing. NVIDIA's CUDA platform is pivotal in AI and machine learning, offering exceptional parallel processing capabilities. The company's diverse product portfolio, which now includes networking and data processing units, caters to a broader range of computing needs. NVIDIA's acquisitions, such as Mellanox and ARM Holdings, have expanded its reach into data centers and mobile computing. Furthermore, NVIDIA's commitment to research and development ensures it remains at the cutting edge of technology. Strategic partnerships with tech giants like Google, Amazon, and Microsoft in cloud computing and AI further solidify NVIDIA's position in the market. However, NVIDIA faces several threats. The competition is intensifying, with companies like AMD and Intel making strides in GPU technology. Intel's foray into the discrete GPU market and AMD's competitive pricing strategies are noteworthy challenges. The semiconductor industry is known for its cyclical nature, with demand and supply fluctuations influenced by broader economic factors, which can impact NVIDIA's performance. Regulatory challenges also pose a significant hurdle, especially with NVIDIA's expansion and acquisitions, like that of ARM Holdings, which are under close scrutiny for antitrust concerns. Additionally, rapid technological changes in the industry necessitate continuous innovation from NVIDIA, particularly with emerging technologies like quantum computing. In conclusion, NVIDIA's impressive performance in the stock market is supported by its technological dominance, a wide-ranging product portfolio, and strategic foresight. While its addressable market is vast, spanning AI, data centers, and automotive technologies, NVIDIA must navigate intense competition, market volatility, regulatory scrutiny, and rapid technological shifts. Its ability to innovate and adapt will be crucial in maintaining its growth trajectory and market dominance.